That was great. So all right. Um, Dave, you're an expert at this. With Witty, you've had hundreds upon hundreds of webinars. For folks who are wanting to dip their toes into the webinar waters, any advice in terms of how to get started with that, and also what platforms to use? What would you tell folks?
Well, I'd say look for strategic partners.
Okay.
Certainly, I see a lot of reinventing of the wheel out there.
Mm,
Like when we launched our community as a service platform at the beginning of the year, many organizations, I've just come across so many people, they're starting something, they're fighting uphill battles, they're spending a fortune on advertising. We've had a few now, we have many more lined up to just layer on top of Witty, have rev share for membership. We're starting a reselling program of other programs they offer to our community, right? So there's things you can do that way. LinkedIn, LinkedIn streaming events on LinkedIn is good. I prefer Zoom so we can really get people connected with each other. We've been running most of our events about 30 to 45 minutes of the talk, but then always have time for breakout rooms for connection.
right.
I like Zoom. We are doing a spaces soon. Nandika and I are gonna do one as we kick off next week's Web3 event. So spaces is good. I think Clubhouse was in the right spot at the right time, but I think they just are not, I'll be
Whatever
surprised.
happened to Clubhouse? You were rocking it in Clubhouse. I remember
Well,
attending a few.
yeah, when everybody was stuck at home, it was great, but I'm sure they may have some patents on technology or something, but man, that thing died. Um, right, but have the content, put stuff up on YouTube,